Hytech Didactic Bottle Filling Station is an individual Mechatronics station operating on Siemens S7 1200 PLC and Siemens KTP 700 HMI. Actual bottle filling application as well as cap assembly is carried out on this station in integration with PLC, HMI, digital AC servo motor and pneumatically actuated systems. User is expected to carry out entire ladder programming to achieve desired results. Licensed software for programming of PLC, HMI and servo motor are provided along with this system. Bottle filling station is completely integrated with Siemens MCD, Mechatronics Concept Designer software, which acts as a digital twin software with remote commissioning facility. IIOT with Siemens Nano box can also be integrated with this station.